Hey everybody, this is Chris Sussman, otherwise known as the Barbecue Buddha, and I'm here to talk to you about Snake River Farms prime beef that's been dry aged for 45 days. Today we're talking about these beautiful filet mignons. Look at these hunks of beef, they are just gorgeous. And they come with a dollop, that's a pretty big sized dollop, of Chef's Gold. Chef's Gold is curated prime dry aged fat that they put in these little discs. We're gonna grill these, we're gonna reverse sear these filet mignons, and then we're going to sear them, and then as they're resting, you put these Chef's Gold on top of that filet mignon, and it's gonna melt and just season it. So let's season these bad boys up. The very first thing I do is I just put the Chef's Gold to the side and let that come up to room temperature as well. And then we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil on top of these fillets. Kosher salt on all sides. Now, some freshly cracked pepper. We have these filet mignon going on the Big Green Egg. Stay tuned. So we're gonna put this in my Big Green Egg XL that's set up for indirect cooking. And then we're gonna sear these off later on my large that's set for direct grill. Let's get them on the grill. Let these roast for about 30 minutes and we'll check back. It's been about 20, 30 minutes. We're gonna check the temp on these and see how they're coming along. And the filet is done. It's 115. Pull these fillets off. Filet's got nice color, 115 internal temp. All right, so now I've got this cast iron pan in here and we're gonna sear these things off. Really only doing this a couple of minutes per side. In here you could see that I'm using a handheld blowtorch to melt the Chef's Gold on top of the filet mignons while they rest.